Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix widget not updating on ladder. So if the ladder home screen widget is stuck, showing old workout data, not refreshing or displaying blank informations on your iOS, you will need to first to open the app manually, okay? So the iOS widgets often refresh only after the main app is opened. So just go ahead and open the app and wait a few seconds for sign in. Also guys, you will need to check for the background app refresh, okay? So widgets depend on background updates. So actually guys, you will need to go with your device settings right here and then just scroll to the general option here, tap it, and now you will need to scroll down here and tap on the background app refresh, and here you will need to find ladder. All right, and just enable it for it. Okay, so the Apple Notes widgets may stop updating correctly if the background refresh is disabled. Okay, and also guys, really advise to check the internet connection. So widgets usually require internet access to refresh workout progress and tricks. So actually guys, you will need just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen or your phone's screen, and then just go and tap and hold right here this tab or this section, and here you will need to with the Wi-Fi instead of the mobile data, right? And disable the VPN temporarily if you are using one. Also guys, I really advise you to remove and re-add the widgets, so this fixes many widgets cache problems. So just go ahead and hold the widgets and then tap on remove, then restart your iPhone and add the widgets again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.